Hi everyone, welcome to my channel again. Okay, so I am here to review a very popular series called Caraval. I think this is one of the beautiful series I have read for so far. So let's, without wasting any time, let's get started. So before starting this video, let me put a bit of disclaimer that because I'm going to review the entire series, so if you haven't completed all of the three books, then I think you should not watch this video. So this is a trilogy. In the Caraval series, there are three books. One is this Caraval, then there is this Legendary, and then there is Finale. It's about two beautiful sisters, Scarlett and Donatella, and they kind of end up in a game which is a mysterious game called Caraval. Now this Caraval game is held in a private island hosted by the mighty person whose name is Legend. He is decades, much older than people. Like Legend is older than their grandmother. So but he is still is young. Nobody knows how Legend looks because he disguises himself, so everybody has this wish to see that how Legend is, or who is this Legend person. To join this game, you need to get an invite from Legend or the committee who organized this Caraval, which is Legend's committee again. So in this it generally gets hosted in his private island, and sometimes they travel from one place to another to host this carnival. So there are so many people, they do not wish to win this game, but they like this adventure, they like this quest, of joining this particular journey. So that's why they simply join this game and try to win it. So it is very interesting when two sister from their childhood, they kind of grown up listening from their grandmother the stories of Legend and its game, and then Scarlett each time writing to Legend directly to let her join this game until her father decides that she needs to get married now. But on that very week, she kind of receives the invitation letter. So there were three invitation letter. Basically, one is for Scarlett. It was addressed to Scarlett. The second one was addressed to Donatella, and the third one was addressed as an unknown, because it is the letter for Scarlett's fiance. So kind of Legends replies saying, Scarlett, you, Donatella, and your fiance can join the game and try the luck. And this time the prize was a wish. Eventually, somehow, what happens, they eventually ended up joining the game. And in this particular game, Scarlett unravels a lot of stuff about herself. She kind of learns a lot of things. She learns how this magical mystical worlds work. Also, she understand how this what are the things that she needs to sacrifice, and to in order to win the game. Caraval ends when the game ends, and Legendary begins when with exactly after the series, like few months after the this Caraval game ends. So here this is more about in this Caraval first book, we heard lot about Legend, right? But we never get to meet Legend. But in this particular second book, which is Legendary, it is about more about Legend, more about. So first book is about Scarlett, the second book is about Donatella. In this book, Donatella tries to find the identity of the Legend, and she meets Jax, and also she discovers more about her mother, where her mother Scarlett was not happy that she was trying to find her mother, because her mother left them when they were very young. So Donatella discovered a lot of things, and there were a lot of banter between Donatella and Jax, and I just love it. Jax is a wonderful character. He's very, when you read this book, you will same time you will hate Jax, you will love Jax. During like the way Donatella's mind also shift from one to another, I kind of you also kind of cannot decide as a reader who you want Donatella to end up with. So that is also a beautiful thing when you see a good writing. And yeah, I think you should try, because not only for the legend character but for the Jax. Now the third book is about of the both of the girls, or both of the sisters, Donatella and Scarlet. It is, and also it is more about their mother as well. So it's about how her mother passed, what she has done, what are the sacrifices she made, or what was her origin. So it revolves around most of that. So the finale is about two sisters bonding together, understanding, trying to see the deception and get over the deceptions as well, and finally choosing whom they want to end up with, whether it's Scarlet or whether it's Donatella, finally selecting one particular person they want to end up with. And here also if you read finale, you would know who exactly the legend's identity. So which means legend would be present in entire game, and legend is addressed as legend. There is no mystery around legend's identity as here. So the characters I like in this book, hear me out, I like between two sisters, I like Scarlet more. Now Donatella is much more wild. Donatella has this wild characteristics, and Scarlet is much more matured version. It's like two person in a very different mold. So in general, what we have seen, that there are a lot of self-sacrificing character. They kind of it's very difficult for them to choose their happiness, also make others happy, but somehow Scarlet find the balance in between. She doesn't end up leaving entirety, but also taking the best of both and embracing her best self. Then my second favorite character is Jax. Actually, he's not the second favorite. He's my most favorite character in the series, that is Jax. In the first book, Jax is not introduced, but in the second book, Jax is introduced. So Jax kind of becomes my favorite. I would not tell much about Jax, because if I tell much about Jax, I will be spoiling the series, or also the next series which will be coming along. But yeah, my favorite character is Jax. My third favorite character is Dante. I don't know why I like him. I like him more than Julian, but I kind of like the air around him, how he is very cocky, he has this classic charm, so I kind of like Dante. So yeah, well, I recommend this series to you. Absolutely, go check this out. It is a wonderful series. I think you would not get disappointed if you pick up this series. I can tell you, it's a very taste changer kind of series. If you are into a reading slump also, you can pick this series. Trust me, I was in reading slump when I picked this series, but I like this. I end up liking this. And this is not a high fantasy series, this is a romantasy series, and you will like, if you like to read a sweet fantasy, beautiful writing, then I think you should definitely try the Caraval series. You will end up loving this book. That's it. You have read this series, let me know what are your takes on this. So until I see you next time, I love you all. Bye bye.